At Metal Building Shop, we are home for Arkansas Barndominiums, where quality meets creativity and your dream home comes to life. We're talking sturdy, stylish, built-to-last homes right here in Arkansas. We don't just construct buildings, we craft places you'll love calling home, and we're thrilled to make it happen for you. Here at Metal Building Shop, we're all about turnkey barndominiums that deliver the wow factor. Turnkey means we take care of everything: design, permits, construction, and all the finishing details, so you can walk in and start enjoying it. We're Arkansas's trusted choice for top-quality homes built with care and precision. These aren't your average pole barn homes. These are metal building homes designed for strength and style. Whether you want a cozy retreat in the Ozarks or a big family place in the Delta, our Barndominium kits let you customize it your way. Add a porch, a garage, or extra space, whatever fits your Arkansas lifestyle. Step inside, and you'll see why people love what we build. Think high ceilings, wide-open layouts, and finishes that match your taste, rustic, modern, or anything in between. Our steel construction stands up to Arkansas weather, storms, heat, you name it, while keeping your energy costs down and your family secure. We're the quality builders you've been looking for. What makes Metal Building Shop stand out? We're local Arkansas experts who know the land, the rules, and what works here. Our turnkey packages save you time and hassle. No dealing with multiple contractors or red tape. We deliver fast, we build strong, and we make sure it's done right, every single time. Imagine this. You're relaxing outside, enjoying the Arkansas breeze in a Barndominium built to last for years to come. That's what we bring to the table at Metal Building Shop. From flexible kits to complete turnkey homes, we work with your budget and vision to create something amazing. So why wait? Contact Metal Building Shop today. Check out our designs, get your free quote, and let's start building. Metal Building Shop is your go-to for quality Barndominiums in Arkansas, and we're ready to bring your dream to life. Visit metalbuildingshop.com or call us now. Your perfect home is just a step away.